Hi, I'm Ashley, and here's my good friend Mia. Today we're going to learn about a special type of adjective, articles. Let's go. Articles are a special type of adjective. They tell whether the sentence is referring to a specific or general noun, and there are only three of them. Can you guess what they are? A, an, and the. A is used with a non-specific noun starting with a consonant. An is used with a non-specific noun starting with a vowel. And the is used with a specific noun. In this case, it doesn't matter if the noun starts with a vowel or a consonant. Read the first sentence with me. I want to eat an apple. Our noun is apple. It is not specific, and it starts with a vowel. So the article is an. Next sentence. I want to eat a banana. This time our noun is a general one starting with a consonant. That means we use the article a. Last sentence. I want the small orange. Here, I'm not talking about just any orange. I'm referring to a specific one, the small one. So we use the article the. Now let's practice. Can you tell me the correct article to put in each sentence? I am reading blank book. Did you say A? Great job. Book starts with a consonant. It is blank interesting one. What article should go here? An, that's right. The next word starts with a vowel, so we must use an. It is blank one on the table. The. Nice work. We're talking about something specific here, so we must use the. In review, remember that articles are a special type of adjective. They tell whether the sentence is referring to a specific or a general noun, and there are only three of them, a, an, and the. Now, go practice what you've learned with our online games and quizzes, and remember to always be clever.
Hey!